Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to update Instagram account with new features. So for this purpose, first you need to open App Store on your mobile device. Then in the search bar, you simply need to search for Instagram. Once this page will pop up, here you can see Instagram app. Then at the front of Instagram app, you have the option of update. If you see the option of open in the place of update, it means your Instagram account is updated automatically. But here you can see this update option is appear, so I just simply tap on it. If this method isn't work, then go back to home page and here go to settings app. Then in settings app, you need to scroll down and click on general. In general, go to iPhone storage option and here you need to scroll down until you find Instagram app option. Then you need to tap on it. Then here you can see two options, offload app and delete app. Here you simply need to tap on offload app. Then this page will pop up here, confirm and click on offload app again. By offloading app, your Instagram is automatically updated, but you need to reinstall it and your all data is safe. So this is very simplest and easiest way to update Instagram account with new features. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.